How to delete Siri and dictation history on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings, and from the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Siri and dictation history. Next, tap on Delete Siri and Dictation History, and from the pop-up, tap on Delete Siri and Dictation History. So I'll say it here, Siri and dictation interactions currently associated with this iPhone will be deleted from Apple servers. So tap on the button to delete it. Then tap on OK. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.